Hello, today let's make something sweet on Nern, some oatmeal raisin shortbread cookies. The recipe only makes 12 cookies, which is not a good amount for me, so I will double everything. Don't worry, my instructions will be for a single batch. In a large mixing bowl, cream half a cup of softened unsalted butter and half a cup of sugar. Then add half a teaspoon of Nord spices, half a cup of rolled oats, and half a cup of raisins. Finally, add 1 cup of flour. Your dough should be crumbly and almost too crumbly. Roll the dough out to about a 1/4 inch thick and cut it into shapes. I'm going to try and copy the diamond shape that's found in the book. Place the cookies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. While the cookies are chilling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. After 30 minutes, put the chilled cookies into the oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are just turning brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to cool. While the cookies cool, let's make the icing. In a bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. The book suggests the additions of honey or maple syrup to thin it a little bit more. I opted to not add any more sweetener because I figured the powdered sugar would be sweet enough. If you do decide to use honey or maple syrup, add just enough until the icing is runny and can coat the back of a spoon. When the cookies are totally cool, drizzle the icing on the cookies. Let's bite into these cookies. The cookies are really good. They are nice, light, and buttery. The addition of the Nord spice mix changes the taste of the traditional oatmeal raisin cookie and provides more depth of flavor. I feel like I could eat a lot of these cookies if I am not careful. I quite enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you do too. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below, as well as if there are any recipes you want me to try. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.